Georgia Fat Boy Mowing and Tractors. Here's Mrs. Georgia Fat Boy Mowing and Tractors, learning how to dig with the backhoe. She's doing a good job. She actually did better than I did. She's running in low idle too, so obviously the tractor doesn't have a whole lot of power under low idle, but it's doing a job. She's getting it out. These are either hickory or sweet gum stumps, and they are lots of roots and very difficult to work with. So I got mine out. It took me about 20 minutes. She's only been working on this in about 15. Looks like she's about ready to take it out of there. Let's see what she does. She's dropping it down. Oops. Dang it. I'm in horizontal again. There we go. I'm in vertical. Can't be in horizontal mode. Sorry about that. I'll get the hang of this iPhone business here soon. Let's see if she can pull it over. Nope, it's still attached.